What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, boys. This is part one of a two-part series, and the two-part series is getting my car up to Michigan to Hunt's Body Shop for paint and bringing back a surprise vehicle that you're not going to believe we're swapping, but it's going to be pretty freaking cool. So in order to see everything, make sure you watch part two when it comes out after this one. So let's go.
1% cash back on the purchase price of every.
Alright, boys. Very first stop we gotta make, we gotta run by Jason's house and get some F-150 wheels for Alex. And guys, I'm gonna do a quick update on Jason's car. I know you haven't seen Jason's black supercharged 93LX on the channel, and that's because it's been going through some major, well, I'll just show you when we get there, but you're not gonna believe it. It's freaking crazy what he's been up to. Right. What's popping? What's up, Zach? Got the Lightning here, needs a wash. Bad. Big time. Oh man. There's the wheels we're picking up. So yeah, guys, the last time you saw Jason's car, it was on the dyno. We had just the horsepower factory had installed the Holly. So we haven't done an update since you were on the dyno. When you got the Holly on it. So I guess we should go ahead and let them see you've been kind of busy. Now, do you want to tell them what's coming or no? Make them wait. No. Let's make them wait. Yeah. But got a fresh coat of paint, looking good. Yeah. So there's a little hint. That's all you get. We'll have Jason's car back on here shortly. Old motor over there for sale. So, oh, it is sold. Oh, possibly. A little bit. Cool. Good deal, yeah. So we'll have an update on this beast here shortly. Be ready to roll, dude. It's been just a year now since you had this car, and it's funny how things just kind of snowball, but it definitely snowballed a little bit.
It's Brutal's fault.
Yeah.
It's Brutal's fault.
Yeah, it's Brutal's fault. We're gonna blame him. Did you see that video the Fox Chamber did?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that was hilarious. Guys, I gotta shout out the Fox Chamber for an epic video. You need to go check out his channel, and he did a video recently blaming everybody for Fox body values, and that shit was hilarious. I can't lie, dude. That is probably the best video I've seen in a while. But yeah, so we're gonna pick up these wheels, take them out to Alex, and get the car loaded up. All right, boys, so we are at the shop, and getting Dover's truck moved out. I'm about to push this hoopty out and back the trailer up and winch her on. There she comes. Yeah. All right, she is strapped down. Ready for the long ride. Got side to side and front to back covered. It was a little awkward because it could go side to side up there. There's nothing to hold it down with, but we got it hooked into the body there, so she should be good. You can just winch her off when we get there. Oh man, Alright, tool haul on. I guess we on the way. Make sure we don't hit two-tone there. Have to send that one to Michigan too. Whew. Well, that air feels good though. I'm telling y'all, you just don't ever see them in the wild, but if you look right up there, got a gray LX hatch. It's just crazy because you don't ever see them out. Pretty clean looking. In this dude, sure all the straps are looking good. It looks so pathetic like this, guys. I'm telling you, it bothers the crap out of me. You see it like this, but guys, you got to think of the big picture. You got to think of the big picture. When it comes back, it's going to be amazing, and we'll get so much more planned for it. Mucho excited. Car is actually gonna look like it should have looked a long time ago. But Big Black doing good. I did clean it up, guys. I promise I cleaned it up, and then it rained right after that. Black truck problems, but it'll be all right. Hour into the drive, it'll be toast anyway. Yeah, gotta love these diesel prices. That's all I got to say about that. Is gotta love it. Truck is full. Hopefully we got enough depth. Go home and get some parts loaded up. Oh man, yeah, we gotta get all the parts loaded up and get packed up, and that will pretty much wrap up part one of the epic trip to Michigan. Guys, I'm not even gonna lie, I've never set foot in freaking Michigan. I've never set foot in Michigan. I was born in Illinois, and I've literally never been there. Another state I've never been, believe it or not, I've never set one toe in Florida. So if that doesn't blow your mind, I don't know. That's your fun fact for the day, boys. But that's the plan. Gonna load up parts, gonna pack up all my underwear and stuff, and try to get some sleep, and hit the road. Long drive. It's under 10 hours, so it's gonna be a ride, but it'll be fun anyway. So guys, that's gonna wrap up part one. Make sure you don't miss part two. I promise you're not gonna want to miss part two. The full reveal of the next swap coming to the shop, and lots of other stuff. So I'll see you part two.